Hey guys, it's been a while, and I apologize for that. I'll give a quick update. I'm Tyler. I am currently actually a junior now at Purdue University, and last time I made a video was early last year. I'm pretty sure I was a sophomore. A lot of changes. I was in mechanical engineering technology, but realized that that wasn't actually my passion, and I switched to biology, health, and disease with a focus in dentistry, pre-dentistry. So if you have any questions about that, please post in the comments or send me a message, and I'd love to elaborate about it. Today's video is going to be about organization. Something that I've learned after spending so much time amongst different classes, different types of classes, labs and lectures and recitations. I find that assignments creep up on you, and they kind of catch up with you sometimes when you think they're far off, and next thing you know, it's due in a few hours. Best way to combat this, you can see behind me, a calendar, right there. Usually with the college schedule, your homework follows a pattern, much like your schedule does. For example, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I have my biology lecture, and the homeworks are due on Thursday. So I add that to my Thursday thing to do every week. And then I add the rest of the days, and next thing you know, I have a patterned display of what my assignments are going to be for that week. All I have to do is glance at it during the day, and I don't miss assignments. Before, I always tried to, in high school they actually forced us to use planners. We had these things called squids. And I kind of took those for granted. I never really used them that much. So when I got to college, I thought, okay, well, I'll just remember these things. I'll just take a mental note. And that's something that a lot of college students do nowadays, and it's a fatal flaw, because they will forget assignments. And it's not usually the big ones. It's actually the tiny ones, the things that you kind of put on the back burner. Next thing you know, you got a 0 on the assignment when you're looking through your grades online or later in the year, and you don't know how it happened. You know, you think you're punctual and you got everything under control, and you know, you miss something, and then you feel crappy about it. Another benefit to having a calendar like this, it will, or at least staying organized in a similar fashion. I also have a planner that I take to class with me to, you know, write down what we have, and I transfer it to the calendar. But it also allows you to plan out when you're going to do something. If you have a paper due in a week, then you say, okay, I'm going to work a third, work through a third of it Monday, work through a third of it on Wednesday, and then finish it up by Friday. Proofread it, work on it in the weekend, and send it in Monday, or something like that. It keeps you from procrastinating as much. I still procrastinate. It happens to the best of us, but it helps you, at least if you're going to procrastinate, at least gives you smaller deadlines, so that if you don't work on it on Monday, then you work on it Tuesday, as long as you reach a certain point by Wednesday, something like that. Also, it helps you mark out quizzes. I know that my biology class, we have quizzes every twice a week, and they're very small, worth like a few points each, but that's something that I would definitely forget if I didn't put on my schedule, and I circle it in blue. I've color-coded it. Blue, quizzes are blue, tests are written in red, and so that it pops, you see it, and you know that it's coming up. And then, I write tests in big letters, so I know it's coming a week in advance, 2 weeks in advance, so I can begin studying. Or at least when I see it and I'm not studying, I feel guilty that I'm not studying, and I usually take initiative. So keeping organized, keeping a schedule or a calendar that correspond with your classes helps you, A, not forget things, and 2, plan out your lengthy assignments, even the small ones, regardless. So I'm telling you, if you're a freshman and you think you can handle that just remembering, even if you think that maybe jotting down, occasionally, big assignments, but forgetting the small stuff, I really highly suggest that you get some sort of calendar, a planner, anything of the sort, and kind of just help yourself get into a habit that'll help you keep track of those assignments. It'll save you in the long run when things get harder and you have those really busy weeks with multiple tests, multiple projects, multiple meetings, and you'll slowly see yourself carrying that into your professional world when you have jobs and stuff, and and internships and research opportunities, and then eventually, employers will see the initiative that you take in keeping yourself organized, and it'll really help you much later in life. So that's my suggestion for today. What I'm going to start, since it's been a while, what I want to start doing is people have been sending me questions and posting comments about their personal situation. So what I'm going to start doing is posting videos as well, answering people's questions instead of sending these lengthy replies and messages. I just find that it's more personable to make them in videos. So if you have a good question or have a problem that you either need solved or have solved and you'd like to share, please message me or comment, and I might be able to feature it in a video so we can discuss it. So thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe so you can see the other videos that will come out in the future. Post comments if you like it. Thumbs it up. I don't know what YouTube's doing nowadays. I really never pay attention. So this is college, and talk to you guys soon. Bye.